All right, so it's not the most awesome, but it's not too bad of a dinner near the ocean. We didn't make it quite to the ocean. Yes, that's the stop. That's the intersection of I-90 sign. That's a beautiful sunset though. And then we got fish and chips. At least they call it Skipper's Fish and Chips.
Yeah.
It's pretty good. How's the clam chowder, hon?
Yeah, good.
And kitty cat, how about you? Oh, she's doing fine.
Kitty cat.
All right. Here we are, having fun on Thursday? No, Wednesday. Mm-hmm. 2 more days. Wait, 3.
2 more days.
2.5. All right, say bye-bye, hon.
Okay.
Say goodbye. Bye-bye. Say bye.
Bye-bye.